welcome back. So to start the look off, I am using Maybelline's concealer. This is just gonna create a base for me, and I'm just going ahead and pack that thing on down to create that base or whatever. You know how we do, you know, or whatever. Today, I'm using the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite palettes because it has like every freaking color. So I'm starting off with this like lime green shade, and it's gonna be a transition shade. And I'm just like going in a back and forth motion, like, you know how we do. And I'm just making sure that, you know, it's like in the crease and it's saturated. The next color I'm gonna use is kind of more of a darker green color, and I'm just putting that like right under that lime green that we put, like directly in the crease. This is like the main color that we want to see, you know what I'm saying? And then after that, I'm going in with a deeper, this is kind of like a teal deep green color, and I'm just packing that right in the crease also. We just want to create that ombre effect, sis, you know what I'm saying? And then for extra bedazzle bazoom boom, we are using that black in the Anastasia palette, just to create some extra oomph. And I'm putting that in the outer corner, and like the outer V or whatever they call it, you know, whatever they be saying. So now I'm using the ColourPop concealer in the color Fair 02, and I'm just you know, cutting out my crease shape, you know, getting that ready because we're getting ready to use pigments again. Like, I'm literally so obsessed with these pigments from MyoMakeup. I am using the lime green today because I do have a lime green outfit on. And how you use the pigments is you just pack it on like eyeshadow. Like, literally it's the same thing. It just takes a little bit more work and getting used to. But all I used was that lime green shade, and I kind of faded it out on the ends. And now we're moving on to the face portion of the video. I'm not gonna go ahead and, y'all know how I do, I'm not gonna talk this through because I do it all the freaking time. So yeah, I mean, just stay tuned and watch. You know, I'll leave everything that I used on the video, but I'm not gonna go into any detail on the face unless you guys want me to do a separate video, then I'll do that. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about any of the products used in today's video. And if you have any questions, let me know down in the description box, shawty. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.